Hi guys, today we will explain how to change your plan on Shopify. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is head over to your Shopify store. As you can see, I am already there. Changing plan on Shopify is not difficult. What you have to do, simply here you can see the option of select a plan. You can also change your plan by tapping on this option, but if this option is not available, then take a look on the left side of my computer screen. You will see a lot of different options. From these, you have to select the option setting. Now we are in our account setting, and just on the second number you can see the option of plan. Simply click on it. Currently I have my 3-day trial, and here you can see the option of cancel trial and also the option choose plan. Like I said, I want to change my plan, so that's why I will click on this option. Here you will see multiple plans. Each plan has its own benefit. This one is basic. It will cost you $19. But if you are a new, then first 3 months will be just for $1. All these plans are the same because when you will use these for the first time, for next 3 months, it will cost only $1. And after 3 months, they will charge you according to their budget. So from here, select that plan which suits you the most. And it was the way by which you can change plan on Shopify.